My name is Randy Haarberg. I'm the production agronomist for Hawkins Ag. We are here at Husker Harvest Days 2019 talking about two of the new precision tillage add-ons. Okay, number one is a floating row cleaner. So by weight, it's weight sensitive, that it will lift, it will lower. And so it's hanging down, starting to move residue until you let the machine down in the ground, and then it starts back up. So by weight, meaning if you're corn on corn, there's 3 weights in it right now on each side. That's more likely heavy residue. As you go to a rotation, you may be down to 1 weight or 2 weights. So you change how sensitive that is for how aggressive you would like it. You have a choice of a notched disc or a sharp tooth coulter on there as far as what type, how you want to move residue. There's different situations when each is a more popular option. Okay, number 2 that we worked with is a pneumatic airbag basket. So we hook onto the rear of your existing machine. We apply pneumatic pressure so you can keep it constant. Today, many times the basket, there's no pressure, 100 pounds. With this, you're able to put whatever poundage due to what conditions you're in, and it's constant that. Okay, if you set 50 pounds, it's constant from ground up. This with a 1/4-inch air tube you run up to your cab, people are doing, and that way through the field, if they're on a side of the field that has no residue, or for some reason they would like no pressure with the basket, they'll reduce pressure. If they go through where they fed their cattle or something like that and have some areas that haven't dissolved down enough yet, that are still fairly chunky or cloddy, they may up the pressure. And all this is to keep it so when that planter runs through, it can plant in that proper condition. Thank you.